In a quiet garden in Baghdad, a wild deer did something that changed history. It didn't run, it bowed. But while Prince Ishaq saw a friend, Prince Yaqoob saw a warning. Today, we witness the moment the King of Saints, Abdul Qadir Jilani, gave his grandsons a command that would lead them to a mountain of salt and a destiny of blood. Salt in the wind, stone in the heart. What land is this, my lord? Where brother turns on brother's blood and justice finds no court. A pilgrim set for Baghdad's gates with dreams held in his eyes to bring the moon to scorching sands beneath these hollow skies. One carries Ali's lion heart, one breathes the prophet's grace, the flash of Heather's tempered steel, a love that leaves a trace. This is Ishaq, this is Yaqoob, the light of Ghaus the Great. The blood of all the noble kin runs deep within their fate. They walk towards their Karbala, through valleys paved in salt, to etch a tale of loyalty where no man dares to halt. But to write that story of loyalty, they had to leave the only world they had ever known. They had to trade the golden gardens of Baghdad for the jagged, salt-crusted silence of Kohe Jud mountains. This isn't just history. It is the story of two brothers who knew exactly how their journey would end, and yet they didn't take a single step backward. Today, we go to the garden where the final order was given. This is the moment the Baghdad chapter closes and the Battle of Jangola begins. Before the world knew them as the martyrs of Kohe Jud, they were simply two brothers in a garden. But even then, the air around them was different. While one moved with the precision of a soldier, the other spoke a language that humanity had long forgotten. He walks with a heavy, disciplined step. He stops abruptly, hand instinctively going to his sword hilt, as he sees the wild animal so close to his brother. Ishaq, stay still. It's a wild creature. It might strike if it panics. Prince Ishaq, without opening his eyes, his voice a calm whisper. Relax your heart, Yaqoob. Your protection is what frightens him. He doesn't see a hunter in me. He sees a mirror. He is thirsty, and he knows I carry no cup of poison. Yaqoob softening his stance, but still alert. You have a strange gift, brother. Sometimes I think you belong more to forest than to the city of Baghdad. You treat the beasts like disciples. Ishaq finally opening his eyes and stroking the deer's neck. All the creation is a family, Yaqoob. The animals don't lie. They don't have the ego of the chieftain Malik speaks of. They only recognize the light. I feel we are going to a place where the mountains are hard, but the creatures are soft. Yaqoob, sitting down beside him, looking towards the Ghaus-e-Azam's chamber. Grandfather has been talking with that traveler from the east for hours. Malik's eyes are full of fire and salt. I can feel the weight of a decision coming, Ishaq. If he sends us, the animals won't be your only concern. I will have to be the thorns that protect the rose. Ishaq, then let us be what we are meant to be. You be the iron and I'll be the breath. But promise me, brother, No matter how harsh the salt of Kohe Jud is, you will never let it harden your heart towards the innocent. The peaceful afternoon was over. The Ghaus-e-Azam had finished his council with Malik, the man of salt. Now he came to ask of his own blood what no grandfather ever wishes to ask. He came to trade their safety for the salvation of a distant land. Ghaus-e-Azam, Ishaq, your friends in the wild have sensed it before you. The time of the garden is over. The petitioner Malik had told me of the land called Kohe Jud, a place where the soil is salt, but hearts of men have become stone. They are in desperate need of the light that only your blood carries. Yaqoob, standing tall, hands over his heart. We are your servants, grandfather. If the east calls, we are ready. Ghaus-e-Azam, placing a hand on each of their shoulders, his voice trembling with both pride and sorrow. Listen to me closely. Being Ahl-e-Bait is not a little of comfort. It is a covenant of sacrifice. Centuries have passed since the sand of Karbala drank the blood of our ancestors. But the world must know that the momentum of that blood has not slowed. It still flows with the same fire, the same truth. Ghaus-e-Azam, you are going there to prove that the sons of the Prophet, peace be upon him, do not fear the darkness. Go to the east, preach the love that Malik's people have forgotten. You may lose your lives in those jagged mountains. In fact, I feel the scent of martyrdom upon the wind. But remember this, die in such a way that the people of Kohe Jud will never be able to forget what you have done for them. Let your graves be the anchors that keep their souls from drifting into hate. Ishaq softly, will we see you again, sir? Ghaus-e-Azam, turning away to hide his glistening eyes. Go now, my prayers will walk beside you across every mile of desert and every peak of salt. But in this world, this may be our last communication. Raise the heads of your ancestors in pride. Go and bring the sun to the salt range. So stay tuned to the video for second part.